This is very amazing. Today on the, and there also today on the 14th of July 2025 we have Kirkkokatu 13, where we have the S-Market grocery store here in Heinola, Lahti region of Finland. And yeah, it has been built in 1986. Simpers V7186. There's these 8 versions of Simper drums, and there's that Valmet into here. Amazing. Rock-and-rollic. One of them here is built by Geir in 1985, and this is 1986.
Yeah.
So this is possibly at the beginning of 1986. And the Geir is from late 85.
Yeah.
This was probably finished in 86.
Yeah.
There's a Douglas button there, but the Douglas button doesn't seem to be working.
Yeah.
Yes, and the number is VS7186.
Yeah.
Go down to the basement floor here.
Yes, dit pakje wijs dat maintained by Kony.
This is TV hydraulics.
Yeah.
If they didn't replace it, even though there is the rest over here.
Yeah.
It's not like a crap piece or anything.
Yeah.
Back to the first one. There is no floor gauge. So.
Yeah.
But I mean, that's it.
That's